Hello everyone, we are a team from Xi'an GaoXin No.1 High School. This is our robot Michael. We will achieve certain functions in the field of home service through Michael to meet the needs of home life. We have conducted in-depth research and exploration in navigation, voice, visual dignity, and etc. We achieved the milestone results. It is our pleasure to show our achievements to you all through this competition.
Hello everyone, I'm Tong Ning. This is my partner Michael. In my turn, I control the voice module, so I play an important role in communicating
when interact with robots. Voice module plays an important role. For speech recognition and synthesis, it's very necessary to start and run bottom program well. We have selected FLE-TEX online voice technology to ensure better performance in speech recognition. The start efforts of bottom programs is as known in the picture. With all three are activated, we can perform simple speech recognition. First, we say, "Hello Michael" to the robots. Wake up the program and enter the speech recognition states. After that, what we say will be recognized by the robot's microphone and converted into words after recognition. This text will be randomized into nodes named ASR words. We can modify this node in the later program and convert it into consisting text. Through recognition of this text, the praised program is automatically performed to complete responsible interaction.
Hello, I'm Zhang Yanshuo. I'm in charge of the manipulator module.
Now I'm here to show you how to use the manipulator. First of all, we will demonstrate the basic swing of the robot arm posture and the simplest mechanical grabs for you. The goal is to grab the bench horizontally and put it on your own trail. The external operation of the robot is nothing more than communication and pickup. The manipulator is the external output module for the robot to perform operations. In the home robot arm undertakes most of the execution work. First, connect the module CR gear with screws, and then connect it with host with data cable. The physical installation is completed. The next step is about the installation and use of series of control software. The first cycle procedure used will cause the mechanical arm to become stuck and incoherent. Later, after trying again and again, I wrote a function of the program executing the action. The external execution of a manipulator is very important for the revelation of robot function. At present, I'm also looking for an attempt to enable visual recognition to clearly put parameters into the program of the manipulator.
Hi, I'm Xi'an. This is my friend, Michael. In this term, I'm mainly responsible for the navigation system. The most important thing for our robot is the motion module. We start with the simple keyboard control motion module. Before the keyboard control, we initialize the robot with the chassis startup process. Once the keyboard control is turned on, we see a prompt on the screen. The robot can be moved forward, backward, and steer using 9 keys such as IOP. Our interest was period on this. Later, we learned and applied the more complex from the movement called follow. In following, a combination of visual, i.e. depth camera, and motion, i.e. chassis, is used. The depth camera gives the chassis the instantaneous directional velocity of the tethered movement by looking onto it. The chassis uses this data to complete the movement. After learning about motion through introduction and manual control, we focus on editing code to control the robot. There are 3 main forms of code control: following, navigation, and planar translation. The following module is a basic module and is usually called directly. So the focus is on the combination of navigation and planar translation. Firstly, let's understand navigation. Navigation is essentially point-to-point automatic planning for the obstacle avoidance. It's mainly divided into mode building and point treatment. There are two types of mapping: depth camera mapping and leader mapping. The basic operation is first turn on the leader or deep camera. Turn on the movement control and scan the compression set from the edge to create the map. The leader building is more articular, while the depth camera build has a small articulation of arrows and is usually used for this purpose. The point controller movement starts by opening the map and determines the location of the robot on the map. This is followed by a command to automate. This is the basic motion operation for the navigation and is generally not human controllable. Piano movement is more flexible and allows control of the route and therefore the end point. Piano movement is used to control the angular and linear velocities of the robot's movement to achieve direction movement. It is mainly used in conjunction with conditional judgment. For example, you can call a robot. The microphone determines the position of the person and send it to the robot. The robot uses the parameters towards the vocalist.
Hello everyone, I'm Liu. I'm mainly responsible for the visual identity. The vision module is the main perception module of the robot. The camera is like the eyes of the robot. We take the video taken by the camera frame by frame analysis to get the data and information in it. Collect and analyze them and use them, which is like also let the robot have the vision already and the ability to discriminate.